Mela, l-iskop tagħna bħala KPH, Kooperativa Produttur Ħalib, huwa li dejjem inġallu n-nies jifhmu aktar l-importanza tal-prodotti Maltin, pereżempju l-ħalib Frisk Malti li aħna responsabbli tiegħu. Ovvjament dan jiġi mill-baqar tal-ħalib u llum hija ġurnata speċjali fejn ir-raħala għandhom l-opportunità li juru l-pubbliku l-aħjar kwalità ta' baqar u verament kif inżommuhom bl-aħjar kundizzjoni. Hija esperjenza unika, saħansitra anka ġibna żewġ persuni mill-Ġermanja biex jippreparaw il-baqar dik ngħidu jqarżuhom, ħajjisprenjawhom ukoll isek l-arusa sejra t-tieġ tmur tagħmel il-preparamenti kollha tagħha biex verament il-pubbliku igawdin din l-okkażjoni speċjali u jifhem aktar l-importanza, il-kura li nagħtu lil daw il-baqar tagħna. Għalkemm saru diversi wirjiet fosthom l-imnarja, din hija l-ikbar wirja li qatt saret fl-agrikoltura. Ovvjament aħna ridna min-naħa tagħna illi anke f'dik li hija wirja tal-baqar tkun l-istess livell bħalma jsiru wirjiet barra minn Malta fosthom il-Kanada, l-Amerika, l-Ewropa, l-Ġermanja. Jiġifieri għal grazzja t'Alla bl-għajnuna ta' ħafna nies nemmen illi din hija ta' livell għoli li tħabbata mal-aqwa wirjiet li jsiru fid-dinja. Ix-xogħol tar-raħħal aħna dejjem ngħidu li m'hawnx xogħol ta' tbatija aktar minnu. 24 siegħa ħafna drabi laqqas iservu. Illum ħad tkun ġurnata importanti fejn il-pubbliku jista' jifhem u jammira iktar id-dedikazzjoni ta' dawn in-nies u l-unika mod li nistgħu nissapportjahom hija li dejjem niklu iktar il-prodotti Friski Maltin. Jekk naqtaw il-prodotti Friski Maltin, dawn in-nies ma jistgħux ikampaw u ħajżarmaw. U din hija problema kbira għax mal-agrikoltura hemm ħafna anke l-art li tinżara marbuta magħha. Anke t-turisti. Aħna l-onur tagħna li ntuhom prodott Frisk Malti, mhix jiġi turistaw u jrid jiekol xi ħaġa ta' barra importata. M'għandux ikun hekk.
Yeah, I really like the show here, so we're really happy to come over here and help you to create maybe something special for Malta and developing maybe a little show scene over here also. I really like the show, and for me it's pretty cool to come over to Malta, see the nice country, flipping some cows, and I also like the people over here. They are all really friendly and help us, so really nice experience for us to came over here.
What do you think of the level of the cows here?
Yeah, I think the level of the cows, it's just a big difference. So from some are just normal and until to the top there are cows which can compete on other good cows in Europe also. I think the top cows over here are pretty good, yeah. They will be pretty good cows in other countries where have bigger dairies also. Really like the country, the people, and I really like to develop something and help the people. But I think when they see how I judge today, they see, okay, they like that kind of cow. Maybe they have some better cows at home and they just understand how we select them, and maybe they can do a better selection next time. So I think here's a lot of potential to do it better in the future. But for the first time, I really like how to do it over here, and I'm really happy to be a part of it.
I've been for the first time in Malta. I don't know anything about it. When we arrived here, we came here and don't know what happened to us. But the quality is good in the top. Yeah.
You're gonna be one of the judges here. What will you be searching for the most in the cows?
The most important thing is the udder. It needs to be high in the back and it needs to be strong in the belly from the cow. And then we have to look at the legs. They need to be pretty good so the cows can go to feed and eat, produce milk.